Another day, another hostel.
Thankfully, this is just a 3-minute walk to our next one.
That one?
Welcome to our next hostel room here in Penang. So I guess we've downgraded from yesterday, but there is more room to stand here in between our 2 single beds, which maybe will be a nice change. This is basically all there is to the room. We've got 2 twin beds. We do have a little rack over there for clothes, but most importantly, it's clean and we have this AC unit. You might notice there is no bathroom in here. That's because there is a shared bathroom down at the end of this hall. So I think there's 6 different rooms that will share that bathroom. And it's an outdoor area where they have 4 separate cubicles, I guess. There is a toilet and a shower in each one. To be fair, they're actually kept really clean, but let's do a bed test because I haven't tried these at all yet. All right. It's pretty good. It'll do.
Have better go inside the mall.
Yeah,
exactly.
It's not so hot.
So hot.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Since it's so hot today, we're gonna spend the day in the Gurney Plaza Shopping Mall.
Yeah, let's do it here. We're gonna get some food and just browse the shops. It's very fancy.
Yes. What's some air?
Very fancy skincare brand. I think it could be like 400 or 500 for a moisturizer. It looks very nice. Before we have a proper look around, let's get some food because it is like 2 o'clock and we haven't eaten yet, which is very unlike us. So hungry. Okay, so we got a few things. This is the Tomyam noodle soup, a papaya salad, and then you got a green curry with rice and an egg on top.
Taste a little bit. So good.
Yeah?
Honestly, yeah.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, I'll just try a bit of sauce for mine as well. Ooh, that's really nice as well. It's a little spicy again, but quite tasty. And then when I try the papaya salad, cheers. That's like sesame. That's really nice. Yum, and spicy. So that food was so good and really reasonably priced as well. That cost us just over €6, which for like a very high-end mall, I think is quite a good price as well. And interestingly, we don't really eat that much meat. I'm not sure if I even ordered it for the month in Sri Lanka, or maybe not even in Mauritius as well. But here, there's just so many different dishes that I want to try. So we've had quite a bit of meat and fish, and it's so tasty. It's so good. Has to be done. Is it too big? That's a cool bag. He made me leave Uniqlo without buying anything, and there's so many nice stuff. That bag, they've loads of those nice tops and shorts. Someone won't let me buy anything.
Unfortunately, it's not in our budget.
It would be quite funny to be booking a hostel room with a shared bathroom and then buying clothes. It wouldn't make that much sense, to be fair.
I'm very excited to try this,
Yeah.
especially because finally something gluten-free.
Yeah, it's like gluten-free kind of bread almost. But it's a rice cake and it looks delicious.
Let me open it.
And this one has Pandan, which she said was like brown sugar, so nicer than the original. But it's from this place here called Bread History. Now we gotta go find somewhere to try it. Okay, we couldn't wait to find a bench, so we've just come outside the shopping centre. We're just sitting on the steps because we need to try this now.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Thank you. Oh my god, it smells so good. Cheers. Yeah, look at that inside. It's really gooey.
And it's only 9 ringgit, which is €1.50.
Less than €2, yeah.
It would be rude to not get the second one.
We are now leaving the shopping mall behind, and we have decided to walk the 4.8 kilometers to the Clan Jetties. We love to like run in new areas because I think you see a lot more than if you're like in cars or transportation, but it is way too hot for me to run, so walking it is. Found the sea. Beautiful. I didn't even realize we were so close. All a vibe.
So what are we doing?
We are waiting for our Grab to arrive. We didn't quite make it the 4.5 kilometers. We walked just over 2 kilometers, but it took us 45 minutes because we walked through a park and it was actually really nice and green and you could look at the water. So we got really distracted. And now it's just getting a little bit late to walk really. So we're gonna get a Grab instead. Oops.
Yeah.
Made it. Very beautiful.
We are now at the Chew Jetty, the largest one of the jetties here in Penang, and also UNESCO World Heritage.
Yeah, so they were built in the late 19th century as a Chinese immigrant settlement, and actually people still reside here today. So the whole place is built on these stilts in the water. It's really cool.